WASTELINQ community, and welcome to Profile Assist. We are excited to announce the deployment of WASTELINQ Profile Assist to Enterprise. The Profile Assist feature, powered by advanced AI technology, is an innovative tool designed to significantly enhance your waste management process, making it more efficient, compliant, and user-friendly. Profile Assist leverages the latest in AI technology to streamline the creation and management of waste profiles. By integrating intelligent algorithms, Profile Assist offers personalized guidance and automated compliance checks, ensuring that your waste profiles are not only accurate but also fully compliant with regulatory standards. A few of the key features are the AI-powered guidance, automated compliance checks, efficiency and time savings, and enhanced accuracy. Profile Assist will be deploying to WASTELINQ Enterprise on April 1st. You'll be seeing this in your Profiles tab. The introduction to Profile Assist is a testament to our dedication to innovation, efficiency, and customer satisfaction at WASTELINQ.